Hi guys, this is my first YouTube video and I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. It's not really a tutorial, I'm just showing you how I do my makeup treatment. And first, to get a foundation, this is what I look like. The box is been Christmas. Okay, I'm now using the brush to remove the monster. I'm going to use a white and I'm going to use it on the eyelid. Oh, okay. Guys, the lighting's really bad in the car. So you put oil on your finger and then you put it on the other eye. One oil. Okay, that's it for the eyeshadow. So it's not really much. If you want to look all natural and beautiful. Beautiful! Okay, so now I got these lipsticks. And I'm going, it's Lip Smacker, of course. And it's called Berry Pie, as you see. And let's put it on. It's just a little bit for me to put it on. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. So make it thin. So it's pretty natural right now with my rosy cheeks right now. Without the lighting, I will fix the lighting right now. Is that good? I don't know if it's good. Hold on. Okay. I think I fixed it a tiny bit. Okay. This is what it looks like on me, but if you try it on you, you see. My hair looks really messy right now, but it's beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. Just reminding me this is my very first YouTube video. Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. Bye!